Ay, nakabukas na. Dito kami sa 3rd floor. So, room 71. Okay. And, so, there's the phone. Kung may kailangan, our trash can, our sink. Yan. Tapos, may bago kaming utensils. Bashtek. Tapos, kaldero. I-kompleto rin tayo sa kaldero. And, we have our mini fridge. And this is our toilet. Our toilet is so maganda. Madami pong tissue. And our bathroom. And tissue ulit. Box of tissue. Bagong-bago ang aming gamitan. Thank you, CNC. Ay, may door pa pala tong ano natin, no? So, may door. Para hindi mga maamoy. So, dalawa po kami ni Ate Ruth. They gave us super affordable room. Pinayagan kami mag-share. So, we have a mini fan. Buti na lang. Tapos, tig-isa kami ng malalaking aparador. Yes! And we have an open window. Paano na nga yun, ate? Sige nga.